Are you looking for the best sanders for furniture in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best sanders for furniture that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 10 is the Bosch Rose 20 VSC 5-inch Palm Random Orbit Sander. This Bosch Random Orbital Sander has a 5-inch sanding pad and comes with a 5-inch sanding disc, a dust canister, a vacuum adapter, and a carrying case to keep everything neat and organized. The dust canister connects directly to the sander to capture dust while the user sands, keeping the area clear and easy to see. This added visibility helps to avoid uneven sanding or missed rough patches that stand out from the furniture once painted. This corded electric sander weighs 3.5 pounds and has a powerful 2.5 amp motor that can drive the orbiting speed from 7,500 to 12,000 oppam. A variable speed trigger controls the speed so users can gently sand a fine piece of furniture or rapidly remove paint, stains, or other undesirable marks from the material. Coming in at number 9 is the Skil SR25801 Corded Detail Sander. Plug in this inexpensive Skil Corded Detail Sander to get up to 12,000 oppam using the 1 amp motor. The 2.3-pound detail sander has a narrow triangular sanding pad and comes with 3 pieces of sandpaper made to fit. It also has a built-in dust collection system, including internal fans to draw in particles, a dust collection bin, and a microfiltration system to help collect very fine dust particles. This corded detail hand sander runs at a single speed that it reaches quickly after activating the dust sealed on-off switch. But the vibrations produced by the power sander are dampened by the soft rubber grip and padded design. This insulation reduces hand fatigue and helps prevent muscle strain. At number 8, we have the Black+Decker DS321 Dragster Belt Sander. The Black+Decker belt sanding machine is a good option for refinishing or repairing large pieces of furniture like a dining table, desk, or wardrobe. The 7 amp motor drives the sanding belt at up to 800 revolutions per minute, allowing this sander to quickly and efficiently remove paint, lacquer, and wood. The belt sander has a sanding surface area that measures 3 inches by 21 inches, and users can fine-tune their control with a variable speed trigger. A built-in dust collection system draws in dust as it's produced, helping to keep the surface of the material clean and clear so woodworkers can see what they are sanding, making it ideal for tabletops. The 8.25-pound belt sander also has a unique front roller that extends beyond the limits of the sander frame, allowing this sander to access corners, edges, and sit flush against a vertical surface. These features work well for sanding furniture, flooring, and baseboards. At number 7, we have the Jellas OS 285-inch Random Orbital Sander. This 3.1-pound Jellas Random Orbital Sander has 6 adjustable speed settings that users can easily switch between using a simple speed dial. The 2.5 amp motor drives the sanding disc at up to 13,000 oppam, but the sander can also run at lower speeds to a minimum setting of 8,000 oppam. It has a built-in dust collection system, including internal fans to help pull in particles, and a detachable dust collection bin that is easy to empty when it fills. The corded random orbital sander has a 5-inch sanding disc pad and comes with 18 replacement discs with a range of sandpaper grits. A rubberized palm grip design reduces vibration and muscle fatigue so woodworkers can keep going for longer periods without having to stop because of hand cramping or strain. Coming in at number 6 is the DeWalt DeWalt 6401 DS 5-inch Variable Speed Disc Sander. This corded DeWalt rotary sander weighs about 4.8 pounds and comes with an adjustable side handle to provide superior grip and balance while sanding. A variable speed trigger gives users better control over this DeWalt sander while they work, and a vibration dampening handle helps reduce muscle fatigue and strain. This rotary sander operates with a 6-amp motor that can drive it up to 3D700 ohm. While this might seem low compared to some sanders, this is because the DeWalt rotary sander uses a powerful motor to increase the device's torque instead of the speed. Higher torque is better for tearing away multiple layers of finish to quickly get to the wood, but it should be paired with high-grit sandpaper to produce a fine finish. Halfway through at number 5 is the Black+Decker BDEMS 600 1.2 amp electric detail sander. This 2.4-pound corded detail sander has a 1.2 amp motor and a compact shape that helps it get into tight corners. If the space is still too narrow, use the included detail sanding attachment that is small enough to fit between the bars on the back of a chair. The sander doesn't have a variable speed trigger, so it begins oscillating as soon as the device turns on, operating at about 16,000 ohm. The Black+Decker detail sander is designed with a built-in dust collection system that pulls in the dust, as it's created to keep the work area clear and easy to see. This simple addition lessens the need to stop and clean up the material before continuing to sand. Its microfiltration system prevents tiny dust particles from escaping. When the collection chamber is full, just remove it from the detail sander, empty it into a garbage can, and reattach to start working again. At number 4 we have the Genesis GPS 08Z Corner Palm Detail Sander. This uniquely shaped Genesis GPS 08Z Palm Sander is designed for tight corners and difficult angles. It comes with 3 pieces of sandpaper, including an 80 grit, 120 grit, and 240 grit piece, enabling users to begin working as soon as they can connect the sander to a power outlet. For detailed, precise sanding, this compact Genesis Palm Sander is a go-to option. The 0.8 amp corded palm sander operates at 12,000 ohm and doesn't have a variable speed trigger, so when the sander starts, it rapidly reaches top speed. The tool weighs just 1.8 pounds, and it has a slender profile that helps the sander access tight corners, work within narrow gaps, and effectively sand awkward angles to ensure fine sanding throughout the entire furniture project. The third product on our list is the WEN 6301 electric detailing palm sander. For users who need an affordable palm sander that can be hooked up to a vacuum, look no further than the WEN 6301 electric detailing palm sander. This low-cost, lightweight model is durable enough to take on any sanding task with the help of an ergonomic handle and 1 amp motor that provides 13,500 ohm. Plus, the suction adapter can be used for a dust collection bag or as a vacuum attachment for more heavy-duty sanding that creates a lot of dust and debris. This WEN model has an angled tip and sanding surface of 3.75 inches by 5.5 inches for precision, while sanding small or large areas. Finally, it comes with a Velcro-based pad for changing the sandpaper quickly. The only downside that some users have reported is that the tip of the sander has limited durability and should be treated delicately. Second on our list is the DeWalt DCW210D1 Cordless Random Orbital Sander Kit. Those in need of a portable and maneuverable sander can benefit from the DeWalt Cordless Random Orbital Sander. With the Random Orbital Sander, battery, and tool bag included, this kit is perfect for the workshop or transporting to the job site. The battery and brushless motor on this DeWalt Orbital Sander provide a long runtime without weakening, and the variable speed control can produce 8,000 to 12,000 ohm of power while sanding. As for ease of use, this sander has a replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad that allows the sandpaper to be changed quickly. This sander also has a low profile with a texturized rubber overmold grip that allows users to sand comfortably and precisely. This DeWalt model also comes with a convenient dust-sealed switch so dust cannot cause any malfunctions. and the one-handed locking dust bag prevents unwanted particles from filtering into the air. Finally, the top product on our list is the Skil 7300 and 202 Octo detail sander. This power sander offers pressure control, which helps maintain a more even finish. It even includes 8 detail sanding attachments to access tough-to-reach corners, making it the best detail sander. The microfiltration helps to capture smaller dust particles you might now normally catch. The price and size make this a good sander, but some reviews complained about the functionality of the attachments. However, its versatility, ergonomic design, and filtration system make this sander a great tool for the price, although it doesn't have variable speed control. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.